Here is a look at the packaging that the hair comes in. It is the 4A Kinky loop in the color number 1. It has a 4A curl pattern, and we purchased 5 packs from our local beauty supply, and each pack cost a total of $5.99 a pack. And this is Preloop hair. Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at the hair. The hair comes with a band at the top. Each pre-loop piece comes with about 4 strands. So that'll give you about 8 pieces that's hanging from the bottom. The loop is easy to pull down and easy to push up. It is very easy to install. Okay, so this is what one complete pack looks like installed. So if you are trying to do 2 packs of hair, you're going to have to split these pieces and really fluff out each strand. I'm also going to give you a quick look at the braiding pattern. Most of the braids are going straight back. I do have 2 small braids at the front that crisscross, and that will be her part. It's important to use small braids for parts. All right, guys, so this is what 2 completed packs looks like installed. Okay, it's nice and full. My client does like big hair. When I installed this hair, I left spaces. I left a lot of spaces. So I installed it at least 2 finger widths apart, and that's what I'm going to show you guys here. It's important that you leave a lot of spaces in the hair, and that prevents overcrowding and also ensures that you do not run out of hair. You can always go back and add pieces later if you see that there's like a flat part or a part that has a big gap in it. But you want to make sure that you leave enough spaces when you're installing this hair. All right, guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. I used all 5 packs, every single strand. And I did split the hair along the part and along her edges because I did not want to put too much stress on her edges. I did not trim, cut, or add any additional product to this hair. All right, that is all for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.